Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best way to wear a red lip. So how to wear it, how to put it on, the best way it can stay on so it doesn't move around, and then I'm going to show you some different reds that you may like. So if you like this idea and you want to see how to wear a red lip, then just keep watching. Things you want to do is you want to exfoliate your lips. And you can do that if you have a sugar scrub, or if you want to just take like your toothbrush and then scrub your lips. But you want to make sure that you don't have any dry skin or anything on your lips. The next thing I find helpful is to use like a lip primer, and this one is by NYX, and I've had it for such a long time. It has nothing on it. I believe it's extremely affordable. I'll link it down below in the bottom bar. And there's high-end lip primers as well. I think by Smashbox. But I find that this one works really well. And you're going to put it on and you're going to feel it, but it's really like you have nothing on your lips. So the next thing is to use a lip liner. Now the lip liner is going to help keep it in place. It's going to help it not bleed, and it's just going to help it look more defined and not all wonky. So I'm going to use this Makeup Forever, and it's in the color 8C. And so we're just going to start lining our lips. Now I always do on the lip line, especially right here, because it gives, like for me, like I have a bottom, my bottom lip is bigger than my top lip, and I'm sure that's with a lot of people. So especially up here, I actually line it on the lip line so that it goes just a tiny bit up above it, giving the appearance of a bigger, fuller lip. And then here on the bottom, I don't do that. I stay within my lip line. All right, now you are ready for your lipstick. And then the first one I'm going to be using is by Urban Decay, and it's in the color 714. This is such a good red. Okay, so there is that red. Now, this to me is more of an orange red, but it's like, it's just fire, and it wears really well. So you're not done with the red. So you put the first coat on, and then you're gonna blot it with a tissue, okay? So you're gonna get some off. It's almost like you're mattifying it a little bit, but like pressing it into your lips so it doesn't move around. And then you're going to put a little bit more on. All right, there. So that is one of the ideas of how you put on a perfect red lip, and just to keep it from moving around and then getting all over the place. Another thing is I like to make sure that, you know, it goes in between your lips, so you don't have like, you know, the space. I just don't like that. So if for some reason your lipstick is going on your teeth, which it should not, you want to get your finger and do that. And then see, there's kind of a ring around my hand. And so that should prevent the lipstick from going on your teeth. So this is a high-end, I'm going to give you some red lipsticks that I really love that are also drugstore, because I know I do a lot of high-end makeup and I really would like to start doing more drugstore, but I do have some drugstore reds that I'll show you and then I'll try on for you. Okay, so the drugstore one is in the color 690, and this is a okay, so the next color is number 690, and this is a Maybelline lipstick. It comes in this like purple tube. This is so pretty. So you're just going through the same steps where you're making sure your lips are exfoliated and you're putting the primer and then the lip liner. So see how similar this lipstick is? And then you would go through the same thing. So get your tissue, you're gonna blot it. So it feels like you got some of that off, but like you're pressing it into your lips so it stays really nice. And then you're gonna reapply. And you are good to go. So this one is probably, I don't know offhand how much it is, but definitely drugstore. So you know drugstore prices. So, and it's in the color 690. I'll put it down in the description box below. Let's put these next to each other so you can see like the colors. So this one is the drugstore and that one is the Urban Decay. So they're very similar. So I want to show you another option. This is something that is red but also has some metallic in it, and I think it's really pretty for the holiday season. It's Urban Decay. So we're going to go through the same process, which I've already put on the primer, and of course you're going to put on your lip liner. So it's like a coppery red, gold, super pretty. Make sure that nothing gets on your teeth. Take that off. So this is super pretty and super different because it's got this metallic shimmer. It's not as bright, it's deeper. So this is a great color. I really love this. Whenever I wear it, I get lots of compliments. So I'm going to show you one more option if you're like, I need a liquid lipstick because I don't want to have to worry about, you know, my lipstick transferring on cups or about it smearing. So I have that option for you. All right, you guys. So you know I had to do it. I've already prepped my lips. This is my favorite red, and it's the most popular, I believe, in liquid lipstick. It's Beso by Stila, and it is the prettiest, I think the prettiest red of all. Like, I just can't with this lipstick. So easy to put on. Did you see that? Okay, I mean seriously, like, right? The best red. I mean, I can't even with this lipstick. Why wouldn't you want to wear this? It's such a nice wearing liquid lipstick. It's a beautiful red. Anyone can wear this red. Light skin, dark skin, medium skin tone, which I am. So anyways, I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And if there's something different that you'd like to see, if you like lip swatching videos, or if you want to see some different colors or different brands, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, have a Merry Christmas and don't forget to enter the giveaway. Bye guys!